Thank you very much for accepting this interview.
You're welcome. Thank you very much for helping me look much, much better.
First question is, what country are you from? The second is, what's the operation you have had in my clinic?
Okay, I'm from Romania. I came here from Europe, and I had face and neck lift. I had a lower blepharoplasty, and I had also a front lift.
Yeah, frontal lift is endoscopic and
Endoscopic
brow,
lift.
brow
Yeah,
lift,
eyebrow
right?
lift, yeah.
Now you have had those operations just 9 days before. So now how do you feel? Is it comfortable enough? And please tell me about the result you think.
There are some bruises on the face, and there is a little bit of swelling, but for just after 9 days, it looks really, really good. It was a bit painful the first 2 days, maybe 3, but I took the medicine that you've prescribed, and I stayed in the hotel room, and things were okay. And I think the third or the fourth day, I just went outside, and I kept walking ever since.
What place have you been in Seoul?
Oh, this is my third time in Seoul. I love the city. I love the art scene. You have wonderful galleries. You have some of the top contemporary art museum in the world. I've seen, I think, half of them, and I still have half to see. It's a very safe city. I like the food, and even now, after the surgery, it was really okay for me because everybody's wearing mask due to COVID. So I was wearing mask. I could cover the bruises and the swelling, and people are very polite. Nobody is staring at you. So this is something that I couldn't have done home.
Now I want to ask, how did you get to know my clinic? Is there any information about my clinic?
My doctor back home, my dermatologist, she knows very well one of your professor from the Hongdae University. She asked this professor if he could recommend someone who could perform the surgery for me. And he recommended you as a top surgeon, top plastic surgeon, not only in Korea but worldwide. And also he said that you are a really nice and kind person, so that's why I came to your clinic.
In this current COVID-19 situation, it's not easy to decide to fly a long distance and come all the way from the Romania for the surgery. So I felt very deep sense of responsibility and tried to achieve the best result for you. Didn't you feel any this uncomfortable communication with my medical staff or when you come to my clinic?
No, everything was really easy. There is Google Translate, so if there are some words that I don't understand everything, it's easy. Then you've shown me some of the examples for surgery similar to what I have in terms of age group and also in terms of type of surgeon, and everything was nice, smooth.
Can you tell me how you felt when you first my visit at the first time, and how was the operation day?
I felt comfortable when I came because you've explained what you are going to perform. It was much easier than I thought.
What kind of care did you take during the recovery period after the operation?
I slept a lot in the hotel for 2 days. I took all the medicines as you've prescribed them, and I tried to eat not that much because I couldn't actually move the whole face, so I couldn't eat a burger.
What kind of food have you after the operation during the first 2 days and then after then?
I had some smoothies. I had sandwiches that were really, really soft. I had an omelette.
Normal diet?
Yeah, normal diet for me.
That's
Normal
immediately
diet.
after the operation you took the normal diet, right?
Normal diet.
Okay. Do you have any question about the result and after the care?
I feel very safe in Korea. in terms of COVID. I don't feel so safe in Europe because nobody is wearing mask in Europe.
Oh, really?
Yeah, here everybody is wearing mask, everybody follows the rules, so I feel really, really safe.
Yes.
And you've also answered all my questions about the feeling, how long it will take for all the nerves to recover. So
Usually, you can feel some numbness
Yes.
on the scalp.
Yes.
So it will go away maybe less than 6 months.
there was some numbness here when I was wearing the bandages because I took the bandages out yesterday. It's getting better, not 100%, but better.
Is there anything you want to say to the people who are worried about having a lifting surgery?
If they are happy with the way their face and neck looks, sagging, wrinkles, that's okay. They don't have to do the surgery. But if they are not happy, surgery is the solution. And Korea has top technology, top technique in the world, and top plastic surgeons. So.
Yeah, also the safest
And the safest,
country in the world, right?
And the safest country. So you really have to consider everything. If you're ready to fly, if you're ready to be away for a couple of weeks, if you are ready to look at yourself in the mirror immediately and see that your face is kind of swollen and you have some bruises. But this will go away.
That's right.
So, and then you'll end up with a beautiful result. So it depends what exactly do you want.
Yeah.
If you want something long term, then surgery is the solution. So thank you.
So I'm also happy to look at you so happy. Thank you again for having such a candid interview for us.
Thank you, Dr. Kook,
Welcome.
for helping me look better.
Thank you.